A warm welcome to all international students. I will be introducing to you what you can expect from the Safety and Security Office of the Nelson Mandela University. These are some of the major crime concerns for international students. The targeting of students at ATMs. Ensure you limit amount drawn at cash facilities. Don't accept any help by strangers. If confronted, cancel transaction and walk away. Only use ATM facilities that are situated in safe places like shopping malls and inside gas stations. Always ask and be aware of unsafe areas and no-go places. As you know, that our campuses are situated in the heart of a nature reserve. On-campus snakes and monkeys are a threat. Wild animals are wild. Give them their space. Be wary of unknown persons becoming too familiar and asking unnecessary questions about where you stay and so on. Off-campus robbery occurs from time to time. Stay within groups as far as possible when moving to campus. Always trust your gut instinct. Your responsibility as a Nelson Mandela University student. Students need to read and understand the Nelson Mandela General Prospectus rules and regulations so that they are versed in what is expected of them. Student safety and security is more often than not dependent on their own personal perception and actions. Safety and security at Nelson Mandela University is a shared responsibility. Negligence and complacency are to be guarded against at all times. Awareness and early response, reporting at risk situations is advised. Protection of personal property is very essential. Report suspect situations or risk to security as soon as possible. Important Protection Services contact numbers. These are some of our contact numbers that you could contact should you require any protection services. Central Control Room 041 544 3483. South Campus 041 544 2482. Central Emergency 041 544 2009. 2nd Avenue Campus 041 544 3710. Missionville Campus 041 544 1239. Bird Street Campus 041 544 4185. We have the Senior Operational Office 041 544 4217. Control Office at South Campus 041 544 2211. Control Office based at North Campus 041 544 3358. The Site Senior Missionville Campus 041 544 1151. Processing of incidents. Nelson Mandela University Internal. Internal disciplinary matters run separate from any external criminal-related matters. Incident investigated and all information forwarded to Nelson Mandela Legal Office for consideration and addressing. Hearings are scheduled and respondents as well as witnesses summoned to appear. Informal hearing process in accordance with Nelson Mandela University policy and procedure adhered to. Respondents do not have automatic right to legal representation. Right to appeal sanction is provided for. Principle of balance of probability applies. South African Police Services external incident reporting and processing is done in accordance with the South African law and relevant legal and procedural requirements. Incident investigation and processing, detention pending hearing based on severity of offense or summons to appear at court to face charges. Principle of proof beyond reasonable doubt applies. The Nelson Mandela University Head of Department Protection Services has direct link to and memorandum of agreement in relation to work together and cooperation on all matters affecting Nelson Mandela University students. External incident support. All call-outs of external support is closely monitored and administered in terms of the provided Nelson Mandela University operational guidelines, policies, and procedures. All incidents, including such call-outs of external support groups, is accurately captured and recorded for official record purposes and retained for 5 years. Request for access to any such information is managed via the offices of the Director, Protection Services, and Nelson Mandela University Legal Office. Confidentiality and prevention of sensitive information is adhered to as a rule. South African Police Services and other. External support groups only respond to requests coming from the Nelson Mandela University Senior Management Group. When necessary, the consent of the VC will be obtained to answer applicable Nelson Mandela University protocol, policy, and procedures. The South African Police Services provide on-campus as well as off-campus visible policing patrols. The Nelson Mandela Bay Disaster Management Group, Fire Management, Traffic, and EMS groups are involved with all events as well as respond on request for assistance. Such external groups also make themselves available on request to provide information sessions and all presentations. The Nelson Mandela University Protection Services is there to protect and serve about 27,000 plus students and 3,000 plus staff. The Nelson Mandela University Protection Services Group, together with its stakeholders, staff, and students, strive to provide a safe and secure environment for the university community by way of effective physical and technological security deployment, frontline accessibility, response, support, and incident addressing, provision of crime and crime awareness information, public platforms addressing of students at various times to share the message and get student buy-in, sharing the responsibility of a safe and secure environment with staff and students alike, 24/7 availability and response to incidents, providing students with safe options in respect of valuables, conducting risk assessments and proposing security upgrades annually or an establishment of immediate risk concerns, ensuring compliance with the National Event Bill at various student-orientated events for purposes of legal compliance, safety, and security of attendance. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the Nelson Mandela University.